Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Science Simplified, and today we're going to talk about this chemical equation of combustion of octane. Now, this combustion of octane is among the most complex combustion reactions, and it's all because of the extreme amounts of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in it. So it's really crucial to pay attention to them whilst trying to solve it. So let's get into it. Let's try and solve it. So as always, I'd like to create a chart and list out the number of elements and molecules in it. So let's do it. So first of all, we're going to start with carbon. We have 8 carbon here. And then we have hydrogen, which there are 18 of them. And then we have oxygen, lastly. That's the reactant side. Now let's do the exact same thing on the product side. We have 1 carbon only for now. And then for hydrogen, we have 2 hydrogen, and then it is oxygen. We have 2 oxygen and then 1 oxygen here, so it's 3 in total. Now, I always say to start from the most complex molecules, but they're all complex. Okay, if you want to start from carbon, we have 1 and 8. 1 has to be multiplied by 8. Hydrogen is similar. 1 has to be multiplied by 9, and then oxygen, they have to be on a fixed number, which is 6. So they're all pretty much really complex. So it is your choice where to start. But where I like to start is to start sorting out the carbons first. Now we have an 8 here and we have a 1 here, right? Now you might first think that let's just put an 8 here and it will fix everything out. This becomes an 8 and then this is already an 8 and everything will be alright. But as you keep going through the equation, everything will get messy because of this 8 here, and everything will be messy and you have to start everything from scratch. So what I like to do is to fix a number of carbons at 16. So what I mean by that is just putting a 16 here, right? So that becomes 16 carbon, and then putting a 2 here, 16. So to have 16 molecules of carbon on both sides. However, it'll also affect the number of hydrogens and oxygens. So we're gonna have 32 and then 33 oxygens here. So 16 times 2 is 32 plus 1, 33. And then we're gonna have 36 molecules of hydrogen here. Now, carbon is fixed. Now it is the hydrogen and oxygen that needs to be sorted out. Let's start from let's do it from hydrogen. So there's only one way to do it, and it's just to put 18 here, right? 18 times 2 is 36, and this is already a 36. So hydrogen is also fixed, but this 18 here also affects the oxygen here. So 16 times 2 is 32, right? 32 plus 18 is 50. 32 plus 18 is 50, yeah. Now we have a 2 here and a 50 here. So 2 times 25 is 50. So this is how to do the chemical equation of combustion of octane. But we should check our work at the end. We have to recount everything all over again. So let's do it. So we put a 2 here. So 2 times 8 is 16. 16 carbon here. And 16 times 1, 16 carbon here. So this is good. This is good. Now let's do hydrogen. 2 times 18 is 36. Yeah. 18 times 2 is also 36. So this is the hydrogen. 2 times 18 and 18 times 2, 36. Now let's do oxygen. 25 times 2 is 50. So 50 here. And then 16 times 2 is 32. 32 plus 18 is 50. So 50 here and 50 here. So this is also fixed. So this is one of the complex combustion reactions that you can get, and it is really crucial to pay attention to a number of carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens. And you might, not get it right the first time. So practice is key. So keep doing practices and chemical equations, so you get familiar with them. So you can, at the end, you can easily do these. If you have any questions or concerns, please make sure to comment down below, as well as make sure to subscribe so we can grow our channel and learn more things together. Thank you very much.